Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix your OTP code not received. First, make sure that you have entered the correct phone number or email address linked to your Wise account. Next, check your network signal strength. A weak signal can delay or block OTP messages. Then wait for a few seconds and then tap on Resend Code if you haven't received it. You could also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to improve connectivity. Next, make sure that your phone is not blocking SMS messages or unknown senders. Then restart your phone and try again. If you're traveling, ensure as your SIM supports international roaming for receiving messages. If the issue continues, contact your mobile carrier or Wise support for assistance. That's how you fix the Wise OTP code not received. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out another helpful guide.